Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your bank accounts on the MoneyCoach app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the MoneyCoach app, and then to see your bank accounts you just have to tap on the accounts section, which is below the MoneyCoach menu. And when you tap on it, this list is going to show you your whole account list. As you can see right now, I have only one account, and if you want to add more different accounts, you will need to upgrade to a premium subscription. And if you tap on your account, you can see your whole transaction history, as I can show you here. And if you go back by swiping to the left, you can delete or edit your accounts, and here you can even change the icon. You can use account type, normal account or business account, and you can choose the currency and the name of the account. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.